Hi friends, in this video we are going to see MySQL installation. So in this installation we are going to install MySQL server, MySQL workbench and MySQL shell. So what you have to do, you have to open your browser and here you have to write MySQL and press enter. So here you will get first official link of MySQL. You have to click on that. Then you have to go to downloads. Then you have to scroll down and here you will get MySQL community GPL downloads. You have to click on that. Then you have to click on this MySQL installer for Windows. Then you will get here two options. So current version of MySQL is 8.0.33. So now here I will click on download. Second option I am selecting. So then here it is asking to log in or sign up. Just you have to click on no thanks, just start my download. So now it has started download. So I am pausing the video. Once it is completed, I will restart the video. Here download is completed. So now you have to double click on this. So now it will start configuring. So now at this moment you will get one window which is not visible in the recording. So here it is showing, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? You have to click on yes. Then again you are getting one window. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So here yes and no options are there. So this is not visible in recording. So you have to click on yes. So now it has started this MySQL installer 1.6. So here developer default. So it will install all the products. As a beginner we don't need all the products. So we will click on this custom and whatever we need, so that we will install. So I have told you we will install server, workbench and shell. So now I have clicked on custom and click on next. So then you have to click on this server. Then you have to again click on this. Then you will get this server 8.0.33. You have to click on this arrow. Then applications you have to go. Then workbench you have to select. Then you have to click on this arrow. Then shell you have to select. Then shell is available, right? So in this way we need to install these three products. So those three we have selected. Then you have to click on enable the select features page to customize product features, right? So then you have to click on next. So then it is showing this. So you have to click on the execute. So now here you will get this Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. So if it is not installed in your computer, so then you will get this option. So it is needed for that MySQL working. So that's why we need to install this. So we have to click on this I agree the license terms and condition, and you have to click on install. You have to click on close, and this installation is done. Then you have to click on next. So then here you have to again click on next. So whatever here it is, you have to keep it default. Next. Then you have to click on here execute. So it is doing installation of server, workbench and shell. You have to click on next. So then again you have to click on next. So then here it is showing some default setting of MySQL. So you have to keep all these things default. So it is running on port number 3306. You have to keep all these things default and click on next. So then it is use strong password encryption for authentication. So whatever default is there, so we are going with that. So we are clicking on next. So then here you have to set root password. So the root user password. So root user is that like it is a database administrator who is having all the privileges. So we are setting password for that. So I am setting here 1 2 3 4 5. So it is weak password, but as I am doing for practice purpose, so it is okay. But whenever you are setting password, so I recommend you keep simple, as you are doing practice purpose only. When you go in organization, then you can set strong password. The thing is, if you forget the password, you can't log into the MySQL. So, and you have to do some hustle if you forget the password and if you want to change the password. So for that, I always keep simple password. So then you have, so I have set 1 2 3 4 5. So then I am clicking on. Now we have set the password. So once you have set password, you have to click on next. So then here you have to go with default things and you have to click on next. Then here also you have to click on next. So then here some options are given, apply configuration, so you have to just click on execute, so those will get executed. So the following configuration steps are being done. Now it is done. So configuration operation has completed. Now your MySQL installation is successful. So it has installed 8.0.33. So it is installed. Now we will click on finish. So now next you have to click on next. So then you so it is showing start MySQL workbench after setup, start MySQL shell after setup. So if I click on finish, so it will start this workbench and shell. So I will click on this finish. So now it has opened this shell program, it has opened, and it has also opened MySQL workbench. So this is the workbench. So using this shell and workbench, you can interact with MySQL. So that is the RDBMS, that is Relational Database Management System. Right. So in this way we are done with our MySQL installation.